How to solve a Rubik's Cube the fastest way possible. Most people, they peel the stickers off and cheat and put the stickers where they belong. But I have a better way of doing it. You just find a way to break it apart. My way of breaking my Rubik's Cube is kind of like this. And just make sure you separate the parts. It'll be easier to put it back together. Now, if you're experienced with this like I am, you'll be done in no time. But if you're if you're doing this for the very first time, expect to be here for 10 minutes. And just take it apart, separate the pieces in the category they belong. Don't forget which one you put where. You want to keep them organized so you can put it back together. And it's fully taken apart. See that? Interesting. Alright, next step. Look at all the mess I made. You just look for the color you want it, where you want it, with what color. Simply like this. Make sure it's yellow, red. Yellow, orange. Red and white. Red and white. Green and orange. Look for green. Line it with the orange and place it like that. See? And you just continue the process like that. Now, my personal opinion is let's see. This is how I roll with my Rubik's Cube, y'all. I don't think I could ever solve this Rubik's Cube without this help. You know what I'm saying, guys? I just don't think it's possible with my brain capabilities. But with my new thought of way of doing it, I get it done in minutes instead of days and years. Now, if you are too ashamed to let people know that you solve Rubik's Cube like this, then you got problems, because I am not ashamed of solving my Rubik's Cube. You see, the challenge is lining it up with the Pacific side. See that? See how easy it is, guys? We're halfway done, and it's only been 3 minutes and 30 seconds into the video. Look for red. Line it up with the green next to the red, which is on this corner. So you go like that. Oh, you got white. How do you fix it? Easy. It needs to be lined with this side. Like this. No, it needs to be lined up over here. There you go. It still beats doing it for days. You said to be the greatest. Alright, sometimes you can cheat, get a little red. Make sure it's lined up. Blue. Bam. Almost done, guys. Almost done. That's just the person I know. See, the challenge is sometimes. See, every time you wanna I've done this like 10 times, trying to make it look professional. So you won't be watching me doing this all day long. But as many times as I practice this, it still takes a while. You gotta think about it. See? Almost done. I've only been in it for 5 minutes. Blue and yellow. You get your blue and yellow in. You know what I'm saying? See, my ideal is to get all these in first. But then these don't stay in, so you have to, like, you know, put it together. And this don't even go here. So, what's the next color?
When we got the window, all you gotta do is just lift one tab. Cheetah.
I am a cheater, guys, and I'm sorry that I'm a cheater. But thank God that I'm honest about my cheating, and I don't do it in a sneaky way. Like, you know, a video edited, like, oh, I got it solved in 5 minutes. And then, you know, fast forward when it took you 5 days. Well, I don't even know anybody who's even ever accomplished this in 5 days. I don't even think it's possible. Unless you're a freaking robot. And you freaking know how to freaking do freaking things like geniuses. I'm gonna have me some haters. But you know what? I seriously like haters. Cause the haters, like someone I once known, would say like this: haters have become my biggest motivation to even do better. So they'd be like, I don't like him. You don't like me because you hating on me, baby boy. Sometimes you have to play with it. Make it fit. Like that. You know what I'm saying? We're halfway done. We ain't got 3 left. Sometimes the last ones are the easiest. And other times they could be a pain in the you know what. Alright. I actually got this thing solved. In approximately 8 minutes. Alright, there you have it, guys. How to solve a Rubik's Cube in less than